Hi, and welcome back to Mthpt-103. Today we are moving on to section 1.4, significant digits and rounding off. You should have just watched a video where a gentleman was explaining to you why significant digits are important, and that helped understand why we even bothered to do this. So we're going to focus on the how to make it happen. Now he did start by talking about precision. You notice there were some numbers that were to the whole number and others that were farther out. So precision is the position of the last significant digit relative to the decimal point. So when they were rounded to the whole number, the precision was simply to the ones place. Now when we work with significant digits, all non-zero digits are significant. So the numbers 1 through 9 automatically are significant. You don't have to worry about those. The 0 is the one you have to think about and make a decision on. If the 0 lies between two significant digits, like the 3 and the 7 here in this example, the 0 becomes significant because it's between two significant digits. So that's why this has 3 significant digits. If the 0 lies to the right of a significant digit and the decimal, then it becomes significant. So the 8, the 6, and the 0 in this number are 3 significant digits. Because this last 0 here is to the right of significant digits and the decimal, it is significant, which then makes the 2 other ones between them also significant. So that's why there's 5 in this case. If your 0 lies to the left or at the beginning of a decimal fraction, then it is not significant. So it doesn't matter that this 0 is after the decimal, it would have to have another significant digit in front of it in order to be significant. So that's why this is 2. This 0 that's in front of the decimal is not significant because it's not following a 1 through 9 number. So neither this 0 or this other 0 are significant, leaving us with just the 2. Zeros written at the end of a whole number are significant if you put a tilde or a bar over them. So this second 0 here, as we move to the right, has a bar over it, making it significant, which then makes the 0 in front of it significant because it lies between two significant numbers. So the 9, the 8, the first 0, and the second 0 are all significant, giving us 4. So we're going to go ahead and add these together. So just use your calculator. Not practicing adding by hand. So 293.8 plus 54.70 plus 3581.876 plus 0.43. Now before we actually look at the answer, let's look at the individual numbers. So the precision on this one, the 293.8, I need to turn my pen on real quick. The 293.8 here has all numbers from 1 to 9. So it's got 4 significant digits and the last one is in the tenths place. So this one is precise to the tenth. The next number, the 0 is to the right of significant digits, so that one is also significant. So that's 2 out, so that's to the hundredth. We look at this next one. These are all significant digits, they're non-zero. The 6 is in the tenths, hundredths, thousandths place. And then we have one more number, 43. The 3 is the last significant digit. That is in the hundredths place. Now we can't be any more precise than the smallest precision. So the 1/10 is our smallest precision. So we're only going to go to the tenths place. When I added these up, I got 3930.806. So if I go to the tenths place, because I can't go any smaller than that, that's the 8 number. I look behind the 0. I'm going to use normal rounding rules. If it's a 0, that means leave the number in front of it alone. So this number expressed to the correct precision would be approximately 3930.8. That's why I'm only as precise as the smallest precision. So now we're going to go down and work on some more significant digits. The masses of 5 pieces of metal plate are 27.74 kilograms, 849.7 kilograms, 5.425 kilograms, 32.756 kilograms, 0.9863 kilograms. Find the total mass of the 4 pieces correct to 4 significant digits. So we're going to go ahead and grab our calculator again and add those up. 27.74 plus 849.7 plus 5.425 plus 32.756 plus 0.9863. So when I got done adding, I got 916.6073. So 4 significant digits. Start on the left and count in 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to round to this number. Again, I have a 0 behind it, so it says leave the 6 alone that's in front of it. So our answer rounded to 4 significant digits would be 916.6 kilograms. Now if I look at the numbers that were given to me, this one, the 27.74, was to the hundredth, the next one's to the tenth, to the thousandth, to the thousandths, to the tenth thousandths. So again, I could have only went precision-wise to the nearest tenth, which is what we did anyway. Okay, so let's practice this one. If I want to round 8,040.7 to 2 significant digits, we're going to start on the left, so 8 and that 0. So what does a 4 say to do to the 0? It says leave it alone. So I'm going to keep the 0. Now, a 0 by itself, remember, unless it's got another significant digit on the right of it, is not significant. So to show that it's significant, we're going to put the tilde, or I put the bar over it. Either one is fine. Now, the other issue is if I look at that number as is, it looks like 80. Well, that's not true. This number is 8,000, so I need to keep its value. To keep its value, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 more zeros, so now it looks like 8,000. Since the bar is over the first 8, I have 2 significant digits. So there's its answer. 3 significant digits. So 8, 0. Now I'm going to go to the 4. The 0 behind the 4 says leave it alone. So it's 804. That's 3 significant digits. But again, I don't want it to be 804. I need it to be 8,000. So I'm going to put a 0 behind it to keep the 8,000. But my 3 significant digits are these 3, the 8, the 0, and the 4. 4 significant digits, 8040. The 7 behind the last 0 says move it up to a 1. So we'll do that. It's 8041. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 significant digits, so I'm good to go. So that's how we're going to work with significant digits. You'll have some practice in the assignment working with that and precision. If you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll help you out. Have a good day.
I'm alive!